In other news tonight, the cost of prescriptions for millions of Americans will soon be lower.
The Biden administration announced today significant price cuts on 10 of the most common and costly medications as part of a landmark negotiations with Medicare. These are some of those medications used to treat conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Gordon Severson joins us now with details on how this will impact Minnesotans and when it begins.
Yeah, these are significant price cuts. Looking at the list, the lowest was 38%. The highest was 79%. I stopped by a local pharmacy to learn about the impact this could have on patients. They say the cuts could save people thousands of dollars a year.
Some of the medications are blood thinners like Eliquis or Xarelto.
As the director of pharmacy at Allina Health,
Januvia, also a diabetes medication.
Micaiah Kastner says this first round of Medicare price cuts will impact millions of Americans.
We see patients on these medications every day. Probably every other patient is on one of these medications.
Some of the most popular and the most expensive.
Some of these medications can be hundreds of dollars each month for these patients.
Take Jardiance, for example. Federal officials say the average price for a 30-day supply is about $573. That price will soon drop to $197.
This is a game changer.
Senator Amy Klobuchar says the price cuts will impact more than 10 million prescriptions, and more price cuts are coming soon.
These 10 drugs are only the beginning, and that's important to note. Within the next decade, under the law that we passed, 160 drugs will have lower negotiated prices.
The AARP says many seniors are worried about the rising costs of prescription drugs, saying it's one of their top concerns. The organization says this first round of price cuts will bring financial relief to millions of Americans. The pharmaceutical companies, however, see it differently, with their trade organization arguing the Biden administration is using this price-setting scheme to make political headlines. And there is no guarantee these changes will actually lead to lower prices.
This first round of price cuts will not go into effect until 2026. Senator Klobuchar says the second round will feature 15 additional prescription drugs, and that list will be announced early next year. And then the following year, they will add 20 more to the list, and they will keep going until they reach 160 prescription drugs over the next decade. Back to you.